engage in. While passive income might not be answer to all your immediate problems, but it is your 10 years, 15 years, your income will be minimum 15 lakh per month. Don't believe on me.